Verifying your identity on Acorns is an essential step to ensure the security of your account and comply with financial regulations. Follow these steps to complete the identity verification process. Step 1. Download the Acorns app. Start by downloading the Acorns app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Step 2. Enter personal information. After creating your account, you will be prompted to enter your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, and address. Make sure all information is accurate and matches your official document. Step 3. Upload identification documents. Next, you will need to upload identification documents. This can include a government-issued ID such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompts to take clear photos of your ID and submit them through the app. Step 4. Answer additional questions. In some cases, Acorns may ask you to answer additional questions to verify your identity. These questions may relate to your financial history or other personal details. Answer them honestly and accurately. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information and documents, wait for Acorns to review your application. This process may take a few minutes to a couple of days. You will receive a notification once your identity has been successfully verified. Completing these steps will help you verify your identity on Acorns, allowing you to access all features of the app securely. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Acorns customer support for assistance.